If you are wondering how much storage do we have on the Motorola Moto G56, then let me quickly answer this question for you. So there are many variants of this phone apparently, however not every single one of them can be accessible in every region or in every country. So depending on your region you might have different versions. Remember to always ask the person that is selling the phone to you to ask them more about the storage. So in this case, in the case of Motorola Moto G56, we have 3 storage options, and they also vary the amount of RAM. So the first option is 128 gigabytes of storage, and with 128 gigabytes of storage we can also have 4 gigabytes of RAM or 8 gigabytes of RAM. We can also have 256 gigabytes of storage, and in this case our phone can have 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, and there is also 512 gigabytes version, 512 gigabytes of storage, and that phone, if you have 512 gigabytes of storage, you also have 12 gigabytes of RAM. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.